Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing great. Before the tutorial begins, I need your help. I have a new camera and has an amazing quality. I love it, but it is a little bit hard for me to choose the good settings for my videos. Filming nails, it's not very easy if you do not have a natural light in the room, and I don't, so I need to do some extra settings. Please tell me, what do you think looks better, the warm light number 1 or the cold light number 2? The warm light makes my skin a little bit too dark, and this is why I personally prefer the cold light. But please tell me, what do you think? I still need to play with the camera, and I really hope I'm going to find the perfect settings for me, because this camera has an amazing quality. Now, going back to the tutorial, this is a super simple nail design. It's not a lot to explain, so I'm just going to let you watch it. I hope you guys like it, and thank you very much for watching. And see you guys next week. Bye!
Bye!
Bravo! Ci canta?